Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create social media posts using Magic Studio in Canva. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the canva.com. Make sure that you are logged in with the Canva account. Once logged in, you will see new menu with create home, projects, templates, brand, Canva AI and so on at the left corner. Click on the create icon. Within it, you will see different templates like Instagram post, email, Facebook post, mobile video and so on. Choose a social media size or template that you want. Now it will redirect you to a new interface for Facebook. Now click on the design menu. Within it, type a short description. Then click on the submit button. Canva AI will instantly create multiple post designs for you. You can choose any templates. Now, in order to improve your post using Magic Studio features, select text and use Magic Write to rewrite or improve the caption. Or you can just choose the image and edit image and use image eraser or background remover. And that's how you can create social media posts using Magic Studio in Canva. If this video helped you, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.